Hi, I'm Ethan with C3EL. Welcome to our technical training series. We have developed this series to address some of the most common inconsistencies we see in the field during an AV systems integration. Today, I'm going to show you the correct wiring method to connect a stereo 3.5mm audio jack to an audio digital signal processor. These connections are some of the most common installation errors made in the field, costing time and money to correct. Actually, they are one of the simplest problems to resolve. 3.5mm connectors, when they're working properly, provide unbalanced stereo audio from your sources to your destinations. For example, from your phone to your car stereo. During installation, most technicians check to see if an audio signal is present on the DSP. However, this tells us nothing of the audio quality. Some signs that your 3.5mm connectors aren't working properly include background noise and electrical interference. We need to identify the internal wires of our 3.5mm cable. This will ensure each wire goes to its correct place in the DSP. We will use a multimeter set on the continuity setting to test each of the wires. The multimeter will ping like so when there is continuity between each part of the 3.5mm connector and each associated wire. The associations are as follows: tip, left audio; ring, right audio; sleeve, ground. Here we have a mono audio input jack. Notice this has three connectors: positive, negative, and ground. The wiring indicators are also on the device itself, as seen below. Here we have a piece of 22 gauge shielded audio cable. In common usage, the red wire is positive, black is negative, and the bare wire is shield. We left heat shrink off of the shield so that you can better distinguish between the different wires. Here's how to properly wire an audio connection to your DSP. I'm using wire strippers and a heat gun. The next common misconception that many technicians seem to have is that they can place both the left and right audio wires into the same connection on the destination device, like you see here. An example of this would be to wire a 3.5mm stereo connection into the DSP of an AV system. This might seem to work, but could damage your source device, such as a PC, by returning energy back up the signal path. It also provides unreliable audio quality. I'm going to be making an audio summing adapter. I'm using two 1K half-watt resistors, wire strippers, and a heat gun. Here's the summing adapter we made in the field using two 1K half-watt resistors. Making your own summing adapter takes a few minutes, but does save you some money. Several manufacturers make an audio summing adapter like this. These come pre-made and will save you a little time, but are more expensive. We hope this video helps in your quest for premier audio quality. Be sure to stay tuned for more videos like this from C3EL. And please check out our website, c3el.com, to see some of our most recent projects.